Keep going. Go hard.
Right past you.
Whoa! How did that one go?
Ella pushed me.
Yeah. That's your best one yet.
Yep, that was my best one yet.
No more training wheels.
I know.
That's awesome.
Let's throw the training wheels in the garbage.
I think so, eh? We don't need them anymore. What will we do with them?
Actually, put them on Kiara's bike.
No.
Yeah. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Mom, you pushed me back.
Okay.